Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Toys. I want you guys to check out this beautiful short and sharp haircut, and this hairstyle is one of the most popular choices when you want to go for those big chop. And one thing with this hairstyle is that they are haircuts that will always complement the facial features, and it's a perfect hairstyle for you to try because it's a haircut that will take many years off your age, and it will always add that shape and softness to your style. So one thing with this style today is that it's a hairstyle that will give you that cheek and low maintenance cut that will look just as good as natural. Just take a good look on this hair. You can see how it's good to always have it sometimes a little lower by the sides and a bit hair on top for that kind of sleek and beautiful hairstyle that will always accentuate your facial features. I just love this hairstyle. See the way it really highlights the shape of her beautiful face. And one thing with this style is a wash and go hairstyles that will make every beautiful woman look gorgeous and look fashionable. So if you're the first time on this channel, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. If you really want that sophisticated style, you want that style that will make you look beautiful, you want the best hairstyle that will be there to accentuate your facial bone structure, you are in the right place, because here in Wendy Styles we are here to bring you cuts that are as cool as these, and this kind of hairstyle are versatile cuts that if you really want to transform your look, just take a good look from the starting of this video to the end, and it will give you the motivational idea for you to go stylish and liberating, and it calls for that almost no maintenance style. So let me just let you guys to please savor the first grace of the styles we have for you. Thank you so much everyone for staying look to Wendy Styles. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.